Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot here with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. And for that you will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you're able also to edit the screenshot here or to share directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having here a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you have also the chance now to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or if you want, pretty cool, you can crop here at the corners a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After you can share this edited part here, or with the arrow, you will send it to your gallery. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with the edge of your palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. One more time, take the edge of your palm, it works as well from the other side. Take a screenshot like that. Pretty nice. And where to find now the screenshots? Of course, here at the gallery. And yeah, here at the pictures, they are mixed up with the photos and videos I've done with my camera here. So if you want to have it a bit more organized, tap here on the hamburger menu, so the three lines. Go then here to albums, and then you will find here an own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.